If you've been looking for a trading journal and Tradervue's name keeps coming up, this is the review you're looking for. I'm going to show you exactly what it does, what it's good at, where it falls short, and whether it lives up to the reputation. Because this isn't an app that launched last week. It's one of the oldest and most trusted journals in the game. Over 207,000 traders use it, and some of the most serious prop firms in the world rely on it to review their own traders. But a big user base doesn't automatically make it right for you. So by the end of this, you'll know if it's worth your time or if you're better off staying with whatever you're currently using. Let's get into it. First, let's get clear on what this thing actually is, because most people misunderstand it. Tradervue is a journal and analytics software. So it basically allows you to review your trades, identify different trends, and ideally identify what is it that you're doing the best and what is it that you're doing the worst. It's not a broker, it's not a signal service, and it won't place trades for you. It logs what you have already done and it shows you the truth about it. So most traders don't review at all. So they keep repeating the same mistakes without ever seeing a pattern. A journal is how actually you see it. This tool is built for day traders who want to go full time and are tired of guessing why they are winning or losing. That covers what it is. All right, so here we are in the dashboard, and essentially in the dashboard what we can see at a glance is our recent trading metrics and information regarding P&L, other metrics such as winning versus losing trades. For example, here we can hover over the red part and see the amount of losses versus the amount of wins. We can see a cumulative P&L throughout time. We can see also the calendar view here of the last 7 days. So you can also go to the calendar section here to see more information. But at a quick glance, we have the last 7 days and we can see the P&L, amount of trades. We can see the month here. And if we want more information, we can also click there and it should take us to the journal view. So that said, we have other metrics here such as largest gain versus largest loss, whole time winning trades versus losing trades, average MFE versus average MAE. And then if we scroll lower, we have total fees, profit factor, daily volume of shares traded, and more metrics that we believe are very important for your overall trading. But what makes it different from every other journal out there? A few things. And the first one matters the most. So if you want to import your trades, for example, you'll need to go to the import trade section here. And then from here, you have two different alternatives. You have the broker sync and the standard import. For example, the standard import is basically getting by some instructions from the broker and platform, getting the CSV file, so the Excel file. For example, let's select here TC2000. You will see that you will now get the instructions to get that file and import your trades. And you know, every broker, every platform will have different instructions, as you can see here. But the broker sync, it's a more semi-automatic or more automatic import. It usually is connected to DAS or prop reports. Here you can see that all these brokers basically have DAS as their platform or have prop reports as the portal where they basically report all the trading data in a daily basis. And so essentially what you can do, for example, is let's say that you're part of a STG market, Ocean Securities. You just need to click here and sync new DAS account, and it will take you to a form here, which you will need to complete and select your broker again, and then put your DAS login user ID and send a request. So here you see your request was successfully submitted. We'll get back to you shortly. So essentially it takes from 2 to 3 business days to get connected. So this is a very specific example for DAS, and once DAS is connected, you'll be able to select the dates, also the type of account, if it's demo or live, and you will be able to import your trade just by clicking 1 or 2 things. So if we go back here to broker sync and we select a different broker that has prop reports, for example, it will ask you something different. It will ask you the host account, username and password, and you will be able to select the start date and the end date and just click and import it. What it will do is we'll basically pull the information from prop reports and put it into your Tradervue account. Real quick before I show you what it's actually good at, if you rather follow along inside your own account than just watch me click around, the free plan is open right now. No credit card, and it takes about only 1 minute to open an account. Links in the description. Then you can test everything I'm about to cover on your own trades. Okay, back to it. Let's go over what Tradervue is good at compared compared to other journals out there. It actually makes you more money. Okay, so right now I am at the trade section, and something that I really wanted to point out is that when it comes to the difference between the spreadsheet and Tradervue as a journal and analytics software, something that you can do is you can go to the trade section here, go and click to the symbol, for example, CGC as an example. You can right away see very detailed information. You can see the notes, but most importantly, you can scroll lower and see a TradingView chart that basically shows you the specific time of buy execution and sell execution as well. And it's the reverse if you're shorting a stock, but in this case, you can see exactly where you got involved and when you basically got out. In this case, for example, CGC started a buy at 34, sold some at 35.17, and then sold some more almost at 36. That said, if we scroll lower, we can see also that in a 15-minute chart, you can, go ahead and change the charts if you want, see it in a more smaller time frame. You can see also how you started scaling out of your position, the price, and how many shares you had. And that gives you a very detailed information about how you manage the trade essentially. So when it comes to the report section, there's multiple reports that we believe are super important. For example, we can see at 30 days, 60 days, 90 days at a glance of a very basic information, your gross daily P&L, gross cumulative P&L, daily volume of shares traded, your winning percentage as well. But if we go, for example, to the detail tab here, we can see all your stats, very important metrics such as profit factor, such as your total fees, average daily gain loss, essentially largest gain, which you can compare then to largest loss. If we scroll lower, we can see also performance by day of the week. For example, here at a quick glance, we can see that Thursday is the day that we're the most profitable. So this allows us to identify what is actually working and do more of that. And if we scroll lower, then we have things such as performance by hour of the day, performance by duration as well, intraday being day trades and multi-day being swing trades essentially. And so in a nutshell, by reviewing this information, you get a better understanding and more insightful understanding of where your trading is at, and you can identify patterns that allows you to do more of whatever is working and do less of whatever is not working, and at the end of the day, find profitability. Something to keep in mind is that Tradervue has been around for more than 12 years. I think at this point should be already like 15 years. And there is a big reason why 207,000 traders use it. It's one of the most used products out there when it comes to journaling and analytics, and a lot of the serious prop firms use the product as well. So we're now in the tag breakdown. And so what we essentially have here is a report of all the tags from our trades. And essentially this allows us to identify patterns and identify which setups are working or which variables from our setups or trades are working or not working. And this allows us again to get closer to profitability at the end of the day. So for example, here you can sort by count, volume, gross P&L, or the name of the tag. But in this case, I want to sort by gross P&L. And as you can see, my most profitable setup here is long wedge in the sector of technology and on small caps. So essentially with these three variables, I'm able to recognize or identify that whenever I have these variables aligned again in a trade, perhaps with this data, I can push it a little bit more, knowing that this is the trades I am the most profitable on, the sector that I'm most profitable on, and also the market cap size. We can also visualize this as a detailed view, as you can see here. But if we scroll lower, we can then find also which sectors we perform the worst on. So for example, here we have on high caps, we're not doing that great. We actually read the short parabolic setup is something that's not working in this case. And also the sector in the healthcare sector, it's also something that's not working. So it also allows you to cut what's not working. And I believe that's really insightful information that allows you to eventually find profitability throughout time. So another report that I just mentioned a few seconds ago that I think worth mentioning again is the performance by hour of the day. For example, here we can select time frame between 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 15 minutes. And here basically the performance by hour of the day, if we hover over here, basically displays the aggregate or average P&L for trades, matching the current filter group by entry, hour of day, hours are specified in US Eastern time. So essentially here we can see how profitable we are based on the opening time of different trades throughout our trading career. So for example, we want to see a little bit more in a time frame. We can see here in 15 minutes, we can identify a few things, for example. So here as an example, we have that most of our money, or we're mostly profitable starting, right from the open until 10:30 a.m. We will need more sample size to kind of justify this, but but you can take a look. For example, at sometimes during the afternoon, we start not being that profitable. So yeah, but this is very important information. If you're able to identify which times of the day you're the most profitable on, and if you're mostly profitable during the open, during the midday session, during the afternoon session, like based on that, you could create a whole structure in which you can say that you don't have to trade throughout the entire day, but mostly trades on the session that actually are giving you more profitability. That allows you to save more mental capital, also like financial capital as well. And this is very valuable information. A lot of traders, what they do is they create like rules based on this, and when they feel more advanced, they try to expand more, and when it comes to performance by time of the day, and try and trade different sessions throughout the day. Now that we are done talking about all the futures and how it makes you more money, let's go through a few of the results it's gotten for users. So as you can see here, we have different testimonials from different users and traders. Here, for example, we have Francisco. In my career as a trader, Tradervue is my map for success. I've been trading stocks on a daily basis for about half a year, and I initially kept a trading diary in Excel, and he probably keeps the testimonial. You can just use Tradervue app to accomplish the same thing, but with a nicer interface. Check them out. So as I mentioned before, we have over 207,000 users using our product, and we have been long enough in the trading space. We have a lot of serious prop firms as part of our clients as well. And so this is a product basically built for the trader that is just starting, or the developing trader, and the most professional trader that wants his trading to a next level. Okay, so for example, here we have a user saying, with Tradervue, review your trades with automatically generated price charts multiple time frames, which is what I just showed on the trade section. I believe that is basically a differentiator from a normal spreadsheet compared to Tradervue journal and analytics software. So here we have another trader saying, Tradervue is one of the easiest tools to cut through the noise of trading and figure out what actually works, which is also something that I mentioned here. And as a beginner trader, you want to do more of that right from the bat, and try to avoid wasting time trying to guess what's working and what it's not. So that's what other people think. The last piece is figuring out which plan fits where you're at. It's pretty simple, and the free plan makes it easy to get started. So here in the pricing section, Tradervue has two plans, which is the gold, which is the most popular, and then the silver. Something that doesn't show up here is that we have also a free plan, which has unlimited reports, the dashboard, and basic reports for stocks and ETFs. It's best for getting started without spending anything and just checking out the product. Signing up for the free plan doesn't require any credit card, and you can just click here and sign up now in any of these, and basically on the bottom. So even if it doesn't show up here, there's a free plan which has unlimited imports, the dashboard, and basic reports for stocks and ETFs. It's for that specific user that wants to check out the product initially, and then hopefully upgrade to a better tier and start generating and recording the trades more seriously. So the silver, it's $29.95 a month. It has everything that the free plan does, plus futures, forex, and options, more than 100 advanced reports. It has broker sync and a limited mentoring. It's best for serious traders looking to take their trading to the next level. And then you have the gold at $49.95. Everything that is in silver, plus the trade analysis and exit performance reports. It's best for full-time and prop traders who want to get the deepest analysis available, and they're more into advanced strategies and more multiple amount of setups at the same time, and it's more for advanced users who are basically trading for a living. So my honest recommendation is most traders should start on the free plan, check the product out, try to understand how it works, reach out to us at support@Tradervue if you have any questions, and once they do that, then they should move to the silver once they are serious about finding their edge. Now imagine opening your journal each week and seeing exactly which setups make you money and which ones are draining your account. If you want to set up your free Tradervue account in 5 minutes or less, just click the first link in the description. You can auto import your trades so you're seeing detailed numbers from your next session. Want the full setup walkthrough? It's right here. Click it and I'll see you in the next one.